Hello friends, this is Shashi Agarwal Economics and Law classes. Today our subject is business law and the act is negotiable instrument and the topic is dishonor of the negotiable instrument, and this is the second video under the dishonor of a negotiable instrument. The topic is noting and protesting. That is a very significant topic. The whole chapter dishonor of a negotiable instrument is very important. Its Hindi lecture is available at my channel Shashi Agarwal. Here we will be covering the noting and protesting in the English, and there will be third video for this topic, dishonor of a negotiable instrument, that will be related on the rules regarding the bouncing of the checks. First of all, we will understand what is the meaning of noting and protesting. When a negotiable instrument is dishonored, the holder is having the remedy to sue the prior parties, but he has to give a notice of dishonor, and here the holder, he wants an authentic evidence of the fact that the negotiable instrument has been dishonored. When a check is dishonored, generally the bank who refuse, he give reason in writing for the dishonor of the check. Here we are going to do the noting and protesting regarding the promissory note and bill of exchange, because in case the check is dishonored, there is no need to noting and protesting. Noting is dealt under section 99 when a bill of exchange and a promissory note is dishonored. The holder can, after giving the parties due notice of the dishonor, sue the parties liable thereon. First, he has to give the notice of the dishonor. Section 99 provides the mode of authenticating the fact of the bill which has been dishonored. So noting is the mode of authenticating the fact which could be admissible as a evidence in the court. Such mode is by noting on the instrument. Noting is a minute recorded by notary public on the dishonored instrument or a paper attached to such instrument, or partially on the dishonored instrument or partially on the paper which is attached to that instrument. The holder has to go to the notary public for getting the noting. When a bill is to be noted, the bill is taken to the notary public who represent it for acceptance or for payment. Here we should remember this, that bill of exchange is generally accepted. There is no need to give the acceptance to the promissory note, because promissory note is written by the maker who has to make the payment. If the drawee acceptor still refuses to accept or pay the bill, then the notary public do the noting. On noting, he specify the instrument, what are the fact of the dishonor, whether it is dishonored due to non-acceptance, non-payment, or for better security, the date of the dishonor, the reason of the dishonor, the notary charges, reference to the notary's register and the notary's initial. Noting should be made by the notary within a reasonable time after the dishonor. Noting and protesting is not compulsory, but foreign bills must be protested for dishonor when such protest is required by the law of the place where they are drawn. In case of the foreign bills where they are drawn, if the law of that country required, then they should be noting and protesting. Checks, they do not require noting and protesting. Noting has no legal effect, but it provides some benefit, because noting without protest is sufficient to allow the bill to be accepted for honor. As we have understood what is the meaning of the noting, the next step is the protesting. Protesting is the formal certificate which is issued by the notary public. Here he is attesting the fact that the bill, negotiable instrument has been dishonored due to non-acceptance or non-payment. After noting, the next step for notary is to draw a certificate of protest. It is the formal declaration on the bill, a copy thereof. The chief benefit of protest is that the court, on proof of the protest, shall presume the fact of the dishonor. Besides the protest for non-acceptance and non-payment, here the holder may protest the bill for better security. In case the acceptor of the bill becomes the insolvent or suspend the payment before the date of maturity, or he is not traceable, then the holder may protest it for better security. The holder may employ a notary public to make the demand on the acceptor. If refuses, the protest may be made. Notice of protest should be given to the prior parties. When promissory note and a bill of exchange are required to be protested, then instead of giving the notice of dishonor, the notice of protest should be given as per section 102. Protest is the notice. Here, in case of protesting, the notice of the protest may be given by the notary public who makes the protest. In case of inland bills, they may or may not be protested. But in case of foreign bills, where the law requires, then they have to be protested. In case of foreign bills, all the parties who are liable on such a bill against whom the holder wants to proceed entitled to insist on the notice of protest. So what are the content of the protest? The instrument itself, or a literal transcript of the instrument, or written or printed. The certificate could be on the instrument, could be on the written form or in printed form. The name of the person for whom and against whom the instrument has been protested. Fact and reason of the dishonor, whether due to non-acceptance, non-payment, or for better security. The time and place of the demand and dishonor. The signature of the notary public. In case of acceptance for honor or payment for honor, the person by whom or for such acceptance or payment was offered and effected. Now we will understand what is the difference between the noting and the protesting. Noting is just a record of the fact of the dishonor. Noting can be done on the paper which is affixed on the dishonor bill, or partly on the paper attached to the bill is permitted. Noting precedes the protest. After the noting, the next step is protesting. Here the notary public issues the formal certificate with the notary seal, attesting the fact that the negotiable instrument has been dishonored.